that you're doing so well today. If you're new here, my name is Molly and welcome to my little slice of pie here on the internet. So I've been waiting so long to film this video. I have my butterfly clips in, my Lizzie inspired outfit. You already know what this video is by the title, but it is a Colourpop Lizzie McGuire collection unboxing. This is what dreams are seriously made out of. Or made of. This box, y'all. So Lizzie McGuire was one of my absolute hands down favorite shows from my childhood. I remember freaking out anytime it was on TV, especially after it stopped being on TV. And one of my favorite episodes was when they did the fashion show. And now they're like really foggy memories because it's been so long since I watched it. But the fashion show one where she wears like the feather boa, and then the Halloween episode. So, you know, and it's not a shocker that I like the Halloween episode. So I thought I'd do an unboxing. I did pop into it just a little bit because I wanted to see what it looked like. But the rest of it I haven't seen. So that is what it looked like when you open it up. And then they have some like paper filling. So let's dive in. Oh my gosh, wait. Before I dive in, some of you may be asking or wondering, like, where'd she get the whole collection? So funny thing is, when I found out Colourpop was coming out with this collection, I actually went on their website because it came out in late March, and I thought about treating myself to maybe like the lip glosses or something, because honestly that's like one of the only things I can afford. And especially to drop like on makeup, I just, you know, I'm usually more of like a bargain gal, but I do love Colourpop. I've been looking at their stuff for a while. Then on TikTok, scrolling around, and they were having a giveaway for the whole collection. 5 lucky winners would win. You just had to comment your favorite character from the show, and I said of course mine is Lizzie, but I do love Miranda because of her fashion and she always was such a good friend or something like that. My comment didn't get like any likes, any comments, you know, anything like that, so I was like, I forgot about it. And then I got a message from Colourpop saying congratulations, you're one of the lucky winners. So I won the entire collection thanks to Colourpop and their TikTok team. So that is why I got this collection and I'm so grateful. I can't remember the last time I won a giveaway. This is so cool and I honestly was just ecstatic. So that is the little story, and if you ever get the chance to like do a giveaway or join one or whatever, do it because you never know what's going to happen. So now we can hop into the goodies. I got the So Juicy Colourpop Plumping Gloss Duo, and we have the cute little Lizzie, the Bitmoji Lizzie, and the colors are Lizzie and Miranda. Then I got the Glitterly Obsessed Glitter Gel, and this is in Sing to Me Paulo. I got the Lippy Scrub in Bubblegum Pop, the Get a Grip Glitterly Obsessed Glitter Gel, another set of the So Juicy lip glosses. This one is in Ethan Craft and Gordo. Now unwrapping some goodies. Pressed Powder Blush in Your Magnifico, and I'm so excited to show you all what it looks like up close. Another pressed powder blush, and this one's in Delish. The last package, the What Dreams Are Made Of palette. The colors are Bye Bye, Please, Done and Done, Outfit Remember, Dear Diary, Audi, Ugh, Hello Fabulous, Don't Freak, So Mature, Outfit Repeater, and Digital Bean. That is the entire collection, and here is what the box looks like if you're curious. Super cute. I love Lizzie. I honestly would probably keep this box forever. Maybe. I'm so excited, you guys. I can't believe that this happened. I'm so grateful, and thank you Colourpop. Thank you so much. That is it. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, definitely leave it a thumbs up. And if you could get any of these products, or if you have any of them, let me know which one you have down below, because yes. And also your favorite Lizzie McGuire episode, because we gotta talk about it. So thank you all for watching. I hope that you have a great rest of your day. Bye until my next video. Shine bright.